TikTok monetization 2026. The honest numbers on what you're actually earning, what it takes, and how to do the business on platform. So the great divide, what you're actually earning. Creator reward program CRP pays 0.4 to $1 per 1,000 qualified views. The old creator fund is gone. The CRP is the new standard. So the gate you must clear. You need 10,000 followers and 100 monthly views just to qualify. The most a creator never reached this threshold. And the brutal reality, the median creator earns 200 per month, often below minimum wage once production hours are counted. So the niche multiplier content type detectors you pay same audience size, ridiculously different pace. A finance creator with 1 million followers can earn 30 to 50,000 per month, while a comedy account of the same size earns just $4,000 to $8,000 a month. Premium niche command, right here. Premium niche command is call this premium premium niche command 5 to 7 times higher RPM because advertisers pay more to reach financially engaged audience. Your current category is your biggest lever. So the 2026 monetization stack beyond the algorithm, professional creators don't rely on one income stream. Here's the full stack. Creator rewards or CRP 10 to 25 of the total income are distributed subsidy, not a business model. TikTok Shop affiliate, the fastest scale path from mid-size account, earned 5 to 25% commission per sale with no follower gate. Brand deals, the ultimate ceiling, negotiated via creator marketing from 25 to 5 figures per campaign. So from viewers to business owners, stop relying on algorithm handouts and build, capture, and own. Grow your audience on TikTok, convert to affiliate sales, and retain them via newsletter or your own product. You're a media business, not a content creator. Act like one. Own your audience, diversify your revenue, and treat every video as an asset. There you guys. Hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any more questions, concerns, type it down question below, guys. We're happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.